Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric here, and in this video I would like to show you how quick and easy it is to build up your buyers list using the Buyerzilla app. So let's get started. So we create a new campaign right from the campaign manager. Now we select one of the 5 high quality templates that we have prepared for you. These are all high quality sales funnels that you can use to sell a done for you high quality product that comes with each on warriorplus to build up your buyers list. So let's go with the secret weapon for this example, and then we customize our campaign. So we add a campaign name goes here. Then we can customize our presale page with remarketing pixels and codes for tracking purposes. You can do the same for the sales page. Now for the sales page, the most important one is your buy button link, where you add your own Warrior Plus button, which I'm going to show you how to create in the video training to start building up your own buyers list through your own Warrior Plus account into your own autoresponder. Then you can also add your own photo URL right here to pretty much place your photo on the sales page, instantly hijack all the authority and become a product creator. And now for the members area, you can also add any pixels to start building up your buyers audience and add a welcome video and welcome everybody in the video course and pretty much establish authority as a product creator. Now once you do all of this, then you click save and publish and your campaign is done. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out the funnel that we have just created. So this is the presale page for the secret weapon funnel. Now this is where you send all the traffic to, and when somebody wants to learn more, they just click on the yes, click here to continue button. Now they are taken straight to the special sales page with a special 95% off discount. All of these products are selling for just $1, which means the conversion rate is going to be extremely high. And now when somebody wants to pick up this product through any of the buttons that are all over the sales page, they are going to be hard-coded with your own Warrior Plus buy button, which means all the sales are going to be happening through your own Warrior Plus account, and the buyer leads are going to be added into your own autoresponder. And now let's check out the product that they will get access to. So this is the members area for the secret weapon. As you can see, this is the welcome video that I have just created for all of the members of the secret weapon. This is where I welcome them, I establish authority as a product creator, and then below the video they will get access to the full video course. Now the only thing left out right now is to send traffic into your funnel, and for this you have a couple of options. You can either use our instant traffic module right from the menu, or you can use any of the traffic generation strategies, which I'm going to show you in the video training. Now we believe this is one of the easiest ways to actually build up your buyers list, especially if you are starting out, because everything is done in just a couple of clicks and then you just send traffic. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you inside the members area of the Buyerzilla.